So guys, first come to gigabyte.com, which is officially website. After that you can see here the search icon, so just click it. After that you enter your model number of your motherboard, Z890 AORUS Elite WIFI7 and nice, then hit enter. Then guys, click to product. Click to here title. Then click to support. Then try OS, select your operating system, which is you using Windows 10 and 11, because I am using Windows 11. Chipset. So first one you can see, and just click to download. When you click download, it will start downloading here, and then you can see like that it just download. I already downloaded. Double click to open. Then yes. So it is close and automatically done and automatically close it.